My name is Jay Patel. Our company name is Esemplast Avinya. We are manufacturer of plastic injection molding machines and injection blow molding machines. We are manufacturing from 30 tons to 350 tons toggle injection molding machines. And we are also manufacturing IBM, that is injection blow molding, 30 and 50 model. You can make pharma bottles. This machine is PET machine, and we also make general purpose machine, and we are supplying all across India and across the globe to all countries. The response in the expo is really good. We are expecting good crowd. We stand for consistency, integrity from the last 30 years. We have more than 200 machines running in Hyderabad itself, and our customers who are once they bought our machine repeatedly are buying our machine every year and are progressing very good. They are growing in their own business because of the good quality of the machines. Thank you.